afternoon, sir. This is Kritika P of class 6th A.
Good morning everyone. I am Rachana Arnadik from 6th standard A section from Holy Child Convent. I am here to talk.
Good morning, sir. I am Prabhat of 2nd standard B section.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Myres from 5th standard A section here.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vismita. I am ready studying in 5th standard A. Good afternoon, sir. I am Hasnia of 5th standard B section.
Good morning. My name is Purvika from 7th standard C section.
My name is Supeksha. I am from 7th standard C section. Welcome to the
Good afternoon, sir. This is Kritika P of class 6th A. This is Kritika P of class 6th A. This is plastoscope. Let us learn about it. It is handy, it is lightweight, it provides the first hand experience. In that way, we are taking the eco-friendly steps to save our environment. Thank you, sir. Have a super Saturday.
Good afternoon. This is Malia of 6th standard A section here to inform you about this model. The title of our project is about classical plastoscope. Plastoscope is a microscope which is made up of plastic and eyelid. It is also benefited for many people because of its affordable prices. Plastoscope is widely used for research and also for education purpose. We can operate plastoscope same as microscope. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Myres from 5th standard A section and here I am going to do an experiment on air exerts pressure. An empty tumbler is not really empty. When we keep the tumbler into the bowl, the water of bowl goes inside, and when we take out, the bubbles are coming. How the bubbles are coming? Because of the tissue's gravitational force, the bubbles are coming. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Prabhat of 2nd standard B section. I am showing an experiment to demonstrate that air has weight. You can see two balloons. One is inflated, other is not. Now I will keep both the balloons in either side of the balance. The side with inflated balloon goes down. This proves air has weight. Thank you, sir.
Good morning everyone. I am Rachana Arnadik from 6th standard A section from Holy Child Convent. I am here to talk about plants. Plants are living organisms. They have different parts like roots, flower, leaf, stem and fruits. Flower is the main part of a plant. It can be divided into many parts like sepal. Sepal creates a bud around the emerging flower. Petals. Petals are modified leaves that surround the reproductive part of the plant. Ovary. A fertile ovary protects the eggs inside. Ovules. The part inside ovary is known as ovules. Moving on to leaves. The lines on the leaves are called veins. Do you see a prominent line in the middle of the leaf? Yes, that is called as midrib. There are two types of venations. Veins that are parallel to each other are known as parallel venations. Reticulate venations. Veins and veinlets which are spread irregularly among the leaves are known as reticulate venations. Moving on to leaves. Leaves help the plant to absorb water and minerals from the soil. There are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Thank you. That's it.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vismita. I am ready studying in 5th standard A section. Standing here to explain you about soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Do you know? Soil erosion is the removal of fertile portion of the soil by heavy rain or wind. How soil is important for us? The soil is very important for us. For the farmers, the topsoil is very important, which helps them to give better yield. Therefore, the motto is we should grow more plants, trees, etc. to prevent soil erosion. Thank you. Do you know how the clear water has come and how this dirty water has come? Because the plant will absorb the nutrients from the soil and it makes to clear water. This don't have plants to absorb the nutrients from the soil, so this will not absorb the soil. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Purvika from 7th standard C section.
My name is Supeksha. I am from 7th standard C section. We are here to explain about wastewater treatment.
Bar screen. It is a mechanical filter used to remove large objects such as racks and plastics.
Grit and sand removal tank. Solid impurities like pebbles, sand, etc. are removed. Sedimentation tank. It removes the particles, the accumulated solids or sludge from the bottom and are removed periodically.
Aeration. Microbes grow and feed on slugs and decompose organic matter.
Chlorination. Chlorine is added to kill harmful pathogens.
Clarified water is collected in a storage tank and is used for plants. We hope you understood. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Hasnia Rao, 5th standard B section. My topic is automatic water fountain without electricity. This is made up of 2 bottles, 2 straws, 1 plastic cup and in between 1 small pipe. First we should pour the water in this bottle till here, and we should pour the water here also, so that the water will come out from here. When I pour the water in this cup, inside the cup, the pressure will build inside the bottle from another bottle, and the water will come out from the available space. Thank you.
बहुत अच्छा लगा। मेरा ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे हर अपडेट आपको मिले, इसके लिए बेल आइकन जरूर दबाइएगा।
जय भारत जननी तनु जाते, जय है कर्नाटका माते, इल्लादुरु इरू, ऐतादरु इरू, एंदेलिगुनी